so much going on in Las Vegas. It's just amazing. If if you can't find things to post about, let me make sure I'm on here. Come on. Nope. There we go. If you can't find things, make sure this is on, to post about, you're not spending enough time on content. I mean, there's so much content in Vegas. It's unbelievable. However, right now we have 24 days of inventory. That's good news. That's really good news. And if you take the days of inventory and the number of sales that we have per day, and you divide the 127 into the 3020, which is the number of available listings that we have, that gives you how many days of inventory we have. And it's right between 24 and 25. We have no closings because the title companies were closed over the weekend. We did put 95 under contract, and we listed 100 homes, which is really, really fantastic. And of those, hi, Annetta, good to see you. Thank you for joining me this morning. Hang on, let me put you up here. Thank you, my beautiful lady, the video queen, which I'm going to talk about today. Anyway, thanks, Annette. Hang in there. We have finally crossed the line with $1 million home sales. We were teetering under 5 per day, and now we are doing 5.1 per day, $1 million home sales. So that's an incredible number. And we have, let's see, you can't see it because I'm hiding it, 529, oh, there it is, 529 available $1 million homes. And that has continued to rise as well as more people are selling their $1 million homes. And there's a lot of $1 million home subdivisions out there, new developments where they possibly are moving. And of the, let's jump back up to the single family homes that are 465,000 and under. We just listed 20 over the weekend of those, two of those, let's see, 72 that we listed. And we now have 612 available single family homes, 465,000 and under, which is 28%, which is huge. That's fantastic. At least it's over. It's almost, we're creeping up to maybe it becoming a third. We'll see. I hope so. We are doing 120 sales a day. That's way, way different than last year. Last year was a stellar year because the prices were $365. And of course, there was more people buying homes, whether they were investment homes or first-time home buyers. And with the low interest rates last year, almost more than 1% less than they are now. So that's the story of that. Let's. I want to just bring something on here that I want you all to use, if you will. This, if you're not using this to get listings or to convince buyers to buy real estate and not wait to buy real estate, you're missing the mark. And if you think this market's always going to be this hot, think again. It always changes. It's not going to be a crash, but there will be an adjustment. And in the meantime, you need to be putting your information out there so people can make a decision. And they might not make the decision today. It might be tomorrow. It might be next week, but you need to be top of mind with them. So this is one thing that you can use on a reel. You can use this in a story. And this is a type of information and one of the points I want to make today.